Hello, I want to demonstrate solving a chart plotting problem where I find the course to steer to correct for a known current. And the speed, and we have a fixed speed. The fixed speed of the boat is 7 knots. The direction we want to go is 080, true. And the current is being set to 350, true, and the drift is 1.9. So we can use a program. This is like Star Pilot, and it goes in and calculates the right answer, but that's what we want. We'll come back to the right answer after we solve the problem. So that's the problem. And so I've demoed this on just a blank sheet of paper, and then you can do it. Obviously, you'll be able to do it on a chart. So here, let me just define north this way. So that's going to be defining north like that, and let's just say I'm somewhere out here. It doesn't matter where. Here's my location. That's my location, and from my location, I want to go direction 080. So I come over here and set this here and 80, 080. That's 80 on the top. Wait a minute, right? Okay, so there's 80 and there's 0 like that. So I come over here, and out of that position I draw my the way I want to go, and I know that's going to have to be longer. So I'm just going to line that up in this middle one like that. Yeah, good. And then come down here and extend this out. Okay, so that's the way I want to go. And so now what we do is the philosophy is we just sit here and we start out and we just let the current drift us for 1 hour. And let the current drift us for 1 hour. And it's going to drift us 1.9 miles in direction 350. So I need 350. I come over here and get 350, 340, yeah, 350. So there's 350, there's 0, almost 0, yeah, exactly like that. So I come over here, and there's the way the current's setting me, that direction. And I'm going to use, let's see, 7. Yeah, it doesn't matter at all what scale we use, but I'm going to use the scale on here and call each one of these, I'm going to call a mile. So we go up here, I'll just put this here like that. Okay, good. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1.9. So 1.9 is right there. So that's a 1.9. Now, and this is 7. So and usually you'd swing an arc now of 7 miles this way, how far you go in 1 mile. But I can do that here just by like keeping my finger on that end here, and then sort of coming over here to 7. So you see, that's pretty good right there. There's 7, there's 0, and there's that. So that's the direction I want to go. I want to go this direction. I'm going to point into the current. In other words, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sail into the current for 1 hour this way, and then in 1 hour the current's going to bring me back up here. So anywhere along here that happens. The boat's going to be pointing this way, but tracking this way. And the course I steer is this heading right here, which is... let's see, how can I get to that? Oh, I can get to it over here, I think. Let me go over a little bit more. Oh, okay. I can do it that way. All right, now what heading is that? That looks like I get 96. Let's see. Let's see, 96. Can you see that? Yeah, maybe. 096. So the answer I get is 096. And now and the speed made good that we're going to track up there is this vector along here. And that's equal to I get from here to here 6.7 knots. 6.7 knots. Now, what's the answer? the answer is 095. Oh, look at that. 095.7. I get 96. That's a check mark. And I get 6.74. I get 6.7 check mark. So that's the procedure, doing it just by that. The philosophy is you are at some place, you are at a known position. You draw a line in the direction you want to go. You let yourself drift for an hour into the current. It could be that way, that way. It doesn't matter. Whichever way the current is, you drift for 1 hour in that direction. Then from the end of that point, you swing an arc equal to your boat speed, and where that hits the direction you want to go, that then defines the course you steer. And then the length of that line from here to here is your speed made good. So that's your speed made good is equal to that, and this is equal to the course to steer. Okay, thank you.